Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And it is Thursday, March 16th, 2023, and I am here with this month's paper pumpkin kit. It kind of feels heavy. Could be my imagination, and it's called 10 Years of Growth. First off, I'm shocked that I've been a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for almost 16 years, but I'm even more shocked that Paper Pumpkin has been around for 10 years. Can you believe it? Boy, time sure is going by fast. Let's get started, and I'm going to apologize now. I did a Facebook Live last night, and I've left everything on my desk, but I've kind of pushed it all to the side. So let's get started, and I hope that my desk isn't too messy for you. So yeah, you can see I've just pushed everything to the side. It's not very pretty. But first off, I'll show you the card that we made. And we used Irresistible Blooms. I think that's, oh gosh, what's it called? Yes, Irresistible Blooms. And that is the card we made. I think it's super pretty. I love it. Anyhow, you missed this week's Facebook Live. That was the project that we made. I try to go on every Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern on the Facebook VIP page and on YouTube. I will say that YouTube, I tend to remove it right away and edit out some chit chat and then repost it at a later date. So, but I do leave it up for my peeps that are not on Facebook. All right, so let's see. Polished Pink is the color that is in this month's kit. And celebrating 10 years of growth, thank you. So as a thank you to our subscribers and to celebrate our 10-year mark, we've included a free stamp set in this kit so you can celebrate your happy moments and recognize the special people in your life. So this is, I'll follow these step-by-step instructions to make this sample card here. And then next month is all the little things. You have until the 10th to order the kit. And next month's box will include a free box organizer that's perfect to store your ink spots and other crafting pieces inside this kit. That's pretty awesome. So let me, oh, look, I love how it's wrapped in gold. Let me see here what I can have on the back here. So we have happy, we have spring, Easter, anniversary, to call you a friend. We have a pot, and then we have some dots here. We've got leaves and we've got flowers. That's the first stamp set. And then the second stamp set is To an Incredible Woman. Ooh, birthday. To a Wonderful Mother. Here's to another year of growth. Sending all our love. Mother's Day, and You Deserve the Best. And we've got birthday, and then we've got some flowers here, or leaves. So those are the two stamp sets. And then we've got some pretty gold paper. And these are the cards. Looks like 3, 6, 9 cards. And I'm just going to give you all the deets, color combination, etc. Oops. I'm scissor challenged today, folks. Yeah, and I'm going to get excited by the envelopes because I do every month when I do the paper pumpkin unboxing. I love the envelopes. Oops, can't lose that. Okay, so I'm just pulling out the instructions here. So the colors contain supplies to make 9 cards with envelopes, and the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Coastal Cabana, Crumb Cake, Fresh Freesia, Garden Green, Orchid Oasis, Polished Pink, Shaded Spruce, and Gold Foil. And here's some alternate projects that you can make. And these are all the pieces. And as always, There's the pictorial instructions. And love it that they've got a ruler down the side here. So those are the instructions. And let's going to start with the envelopes. All right. So all the envelopes are the same. They all have this pattern on the outside. And there are 9 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 envelopes. And card bases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we've got 3 card bases. Ooh, I like this. That are, looks like a bookshelf. And there's the inside. It's blank. We've got 3 card bases that are, oh, what's it called? Like a, not a kaleidoscope, but a pane glass window. That looks like a pane glass window. And then 3 card bases with the gold foil polka dot. And we have a sheet of, this is very Monet-ish. Don't I sound intelligent? It's very Monet-ish. I think it's Monet. We've got 3 of these large banners, background pieces. That's what they look like. We've got 1, 2, 3 sheets of this style. We've got the planter pots. I love it that they've got the gold detail on it. We've got some ferns. We've got some Monet-ish ferns here. And there's 3 of each, so there's 3 sheets, so 3 of all of these. We have a sheet of these ferns, the green ferns. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9. So 3 of this style, and then 6 of this style. And then we've got gold foil Happy. And I'm just double checking here. It is not adhesive back. So my only thing would be when you do use adhesive, be very careful with when you put adhesive on the back that it doesn't splay out, because especially if it's liquid adhesive, it's really a pain to get off the foil. It's just my tip. And we have a sheet of white, looks like pots, and they're embossed, and then the larger, the smaller. And then 4 of these smaller banners, 4 of this size banner, and then 4 of that size banner. And the glue dots, and of course dimensionals, because every card needs dimensionals. And I'm just going to show you one more time the projects. So here are the projects. You'll see where the white pots are shown here, and the little banners, and that's the background piece with the happy. Oh, and this is a landscape card. These 2 are vertical, and this one is the bookshelf. And then here is the potted plant. Great that they've incorporated female, so these can be great for Mother's Day cards, or, you know, as someone special, someone in your life, a special female person in your life. Or it doesn't have to be, because you can just say birthday, and it's good to go, and you deserve the best. As always, you can mix and match the sentiments to your heart's content. So there's, like I said, we've got one for Mother's Day, you deserve the best. Happy birthday. And you can combine these 2, right? You can say one happy and then use birthday, and create your own cards. Happy Easter. So this would be great for Easter cards as well. And to call you a friend, and anniversary. They've got all occasions covered except for Father's Day. But we've got anniversary, Easter, spring, birthday, Mother's Day. Great, have great all around stamp set, and paper pumpkin kit. So that's me. That's really quick, because you know I'm going to go change, and I'm going to make dinner, and I will upload this tonight, and I hope to see you next Wednesday on Wednesday Night Live at 7:30 on the Stamp Scrap and More VIP page on Facebook, or right here on YouTube. And like I said, I go live on YouTube, but then I usually make it private, edit out so some of the chatter's gone, and then I'll repost it. All right, take care. Happy stamping. We'll talk again soon. Bye.